No, I haven't forgotten you, I'm just a week late. Here's the BTS merchanting review for December. Hey guys, it's DivineForMerch.com with BTS merchanting review number 30. I didn't think I would get to 30, especially considering the fact that these reviews aren't the most popular videos on the channel. Those tend to be the guides, analysis, and videos about daily things going on in RuneScape. Still, I like to think that the BTS merchant reviews have helped some of you make some pretty good investments over the years. Now, in last month's video I said that I haven't been feeling well, and actually only during the last few days I started feeling a bit better, just in time for the holiday season, I guess. So yeah, let's get into the last month of 2016. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. If anything was going to play out as planned, it was going to be the God quests this year. We have the final one this month. Rewards seem to be non-tradable based on the description, so I don't expect this to have any impact merchanting wise, which is a bit of a pity for such a large quest. If we look at some of the very large quests that were released over the past few years, they would always have some kind of new item or area, something that would make a worthwhile investment, but now we don't have that. Then we have the non-surprising winter weekends. There was already a decent rise in adamant ore and coal prices for this weekend. I feel like a bit more people want to get their 120 smithing or 200 mil XP now, because the reworks are coming up in the future, and some people may feel uncertain whether they will still be able to afford it or if it's going to take longer, so they're a bit more likely to buy in, and as you can see there's a bit of an effect there. Now the main things for the bossing and slayer weekend are actually the increased charm drops and the 50% extra slayer XP. I'm not really sure what the bossing part of this weekend is, other than a bit more frequent drops, but I just think like most people are going to do slayer, they're not going to do bossing if this is so much more attractive for slayer. So flipping high level weapons could be a good choice before and during this weekend, as we'll definitely see some more people training slayer for this one. None of the other weekends will have any impact really, but that's the same every year. So that's it update wise already, nothing too interesting. I think the most interesting news actually came in November, which was that Jagex won't be hosting Game Blast 2017. This is when they normally seen do the bonus XP weekend in February. I really hope this means that they'll start changing the weekends up and make them highly unpredictable to revive that aspect of merchanting. The weekends have become pretty dead merchanting wise compared to what they used to be. Of course, that's also because of the decrease in players, but it's mainly due to the incredibly predictable investing pattern over the last few years. It's always been like February or March and then September, etc. Now, Jagex likes a more stable economy, so we shouldn't get our hopes up that they're going to change anything, but perhaps they will. Let's hope so. In other news, someone posted a poll on the RuneScape Reddit about how much wealth everyone has. Of course, it got spammed with fake votes, and then a JMod said that they would see if they can find out more data about this and potentially share it. Now at this stage, I'd also see them reveal how much the richest RS account currently holds, as people will inevitably begin to pressure them about this. If Jagex is willing to release one stat on wealth, then people are going to ask for the next and the next. They might put a stop to it somewhere, but I do think there's a small chance of them revealing more information. So depending on what data they release, we could see some shifts happening in high value markets and a lot of discussion and speculation. Whenever this happens, we don't really know when they'll say anything about this. That's it for December and for 2016. I think the first half of the year was absolutely amazing for merchanting, but the second half was rather disappointing. Let's hope that 2017 will be a step up from that. I hope that you all have an enjoyable month and still make a bunch of profit to finish off the year. Thanks for watching, I'll see you all again soon for another video.